Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 17th of May, 2024. Indian markets rose for the second consecutive session, with Nifty closing above 22,450 and border markets also gaining. BSE Midcap hit a new record high while BSE Smallcap was just 100 points away from its all-time peak. At close, Sensex reached 73,917.03 points, up by 0.34%, while Nifty closed at 22,466.10 points, a 0.27% increase. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were M&M, JSW Steel, GREAVES, while losers were TCS, Cipla, SBI Life Insurer. Talking about the corporate segment, we have TREVENI turbine shares rose over 8% to hit a 52-week high of 654.40 rupees after the company posted strong earnings for the quarter that ended March. In the past 6 months, TREVENI turbine has gained 54%, outperforming Nifty 50 which gained 14% during the same period. May 17th marked the 6th session of gain of TREVENI turbine. The company reported quarter four results on May 16th with consolidated net profit up 37% on year to 76.2 rupees crore in January-March. The revenue from operations for the March quarter grew 24% on year to 458.1 rupees crore. Shares of DIXON Technologies shot up 10% to hit a 52-week high of 9,062 rupees in early deals after the stock was awarded a rating upgrade by global brokerage firm Morgan Stanley. The brokerage upgraded the stock to an equal weight from the earlier, underweight call. The brokerage firm assigned a price target of 8,696 rupees apiece for the stock to reflect an upside potential of a little over 5% from the stock's closing price in the previous session. It is worth noting that the stock has already surpassed the price target guided by Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley also projects an earnings CAGR, compound annual growth rate, of 42% for DIXON Tech during financial year 2024 to 2028, which stood as the main premise for the brokerage's upgrade of the stock. Furthermore, the brokerage noted that DIXON Technologies has secured significant mobile customers over the past 6 months. KAYNES Technology skyrocketed over 20% to 3,080 rupees per share on May 17th after the company reported an upbeat January-March quarter performance. So far in 2024, shares of KAYNES Tech surged over 10%, outperforming the Nifty 50 index, which saw a rise of 2%. Earlier, the stock hit a 52-week high of 3,248 rupees per share on March 5, 2024. KAYNES Tech's consolidated net profit jumped 96.8% year-on-year, YOY, to 813 rupees crore in quarter for financial year 2024, while revenue from operations increased 74.8% year-on-year to 637.3 rupees crore. The growth was led by strong demand across all verticals, especially industrial and EV, aerospace, outer space, and strategic electronics and railway segment. The company's EBITDA grew 60.5% YOY to 952 rupees crore in quarter for financial year 2024, but EBITDA margin contracted by 134 basis points to 15%. Its order book stood at 4,115 rupees crore in financial year 2024 as against 2,648 rupees crore in financial year 2023. CROMPTON GREAVES consumer electricals shares skyrocketed 14% on May 17 after the FMEG player reported a 56% sequential jump in consolidated net profit. CROMPTON GREAVES reported a 1% on-year uptick in consolidated profit for the quarter ended March at 133 rupees crore. However, profits surged 56% on a sequential basis. Revenue came in at 1,961 rupees crore, higher by 9% year-on-year from 1,791 rupees crore in the same quarter during the year-ago period. CROMPTON undertook CROMPTON 2.0 in June 2023 and has been reaping the benefits thereof. With launches across product categories, the uptick in advertisement spends, innovation, and go-to-market excellence aided growth. MOIL Limited in daily time frame is trading around 524.85 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 27.5 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 446.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 78.03. ISMT Limited in daily time frame is trading around 127.60 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 12.95 for million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 105.96, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.53. KAYNES Technology India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 3080.35 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.174 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 2655.42, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.86. For the stock recommendation we have, Suntech Realty Limited looks good and can be bought at 448 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 430 rupees and a target of 464 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.